Descript is one of the most powerful and user-friendly video editing tools available, especially if you're new to video editing. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Descript for video editing and how to get started, even if you've never opened the software before. First, when you open Descript, you're greeted with a clean interface that's perfect for both beginners and professionals. The main feature that sets Descript apart is its ability to automatically transcribe your audio or video into text. This transcription is key because it allows you to edit your video like you're editing a document. Just highlight text, delete or move words, and Descript will adjust your video accordingly. After you upload your video, Descript generates a transcript and you can begin editing right away. For example, if you want to remove a long pause or awkward sentence, simply highlight the text and press delete. Descript instantly removes the corresponding section of video, no need to cut frames manually. Now, let's talk about multi-clip editing. Descript makes it simple to split your video into different sections. Just highlight a part of the transcript where you want to split and click on the split button. This makes navigating through your project and finding specific moments much faster than traditional video editing. One of the coolest features is overdub. With overdub, you can type out new words or sentences, and Descript will generate that voiceover using your own voice. This is a huge time saver for corrections or additions without needing to record new audio. For more advanced users, Descript also allows you to add captions and screen recordings. If you're creating a tutorial, you can annotate your video with highlights, text, and arrows to make your points even clearer. One feature that really sets Descript apart is the ability to create video podcasts. You can easily remove filler words like or and make your content sound more polished without the need for complicated editing. Now, Descript isn't just about video editing, it's also a collaboration tool. You can share your project with others and they can leave comments directly on the timeline. This is great for teams working together or clients reviewing your work. If you're new to video editing and looking for something that's simple, intuitive, and fast, Descript is a game changer. The ease of use combined with advanced features makes it a top choice for creators of all levels. As you can see, Descript is incredibly powerful and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to start editing professional quality videos. And remember, you can start using this software completely free with the link in the description, where you'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses. But wait, before you go, if you're wondering if there's anything more, stick around till the end, because I've got a special extended free trial just for you. Don't miss out on that. Now go ahead and download Descript and start editing your videos today.